Hello, peoples. It's been a while. I'm back with a vlog, and I wanted to do like this little intro because I haven't posted in a while. So this vlog is when I first went to go see Sinners. I have seen the movie 3 times. Count it, trace times. I've seen it 3 times. I saw it this first time that you're about to experience, and then I saw it at a drive-in theater that's like 10-15 minutes away from my crib, and then I went to see it a 3rd time on Discount Tuesday once again. Hey, can't beat it. But yeah, this is gonna be my first time going to see it when it was, fresh, fresh off the press, or whatever. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. I'm really doing my best to stay in the space of being creative. It's been really hard these last few months, just thinking about like my cycles with like, having ADHD and stuff like that. It's like I want to create. It's like it's in me, but sometimes I genuinely just, I don't know. I really have to be in this space, and it really sucks. But yeah, follow me on Twitter at baby_G, and follow me on Instagram at GTheJournalist. I'm slowly getting back into Instagram, but y'all go ahead and follow me. And yeah, like, hope y'all enjoy the video. What's up, folks? I am back with another vlog. So I am back. If y'all don't know who I am the journalist, and this is my YouTube channel. I am a neurodivergent creator here trying to do it. Yeah, put myself out there, whatever. I am going to see the movie Sinners, Ryan Coogler. I'm going to see it. There's been a bunch of talk on Twitter, and I've been trying my best to avoid it because I've been waiting for Discount Tuesday. Yeah, so I can go see it. Because, we love a good cheap movie. It's wild. It's wild how expensive stuff is. So don't judge. I'm just doing what I got, or doing what I can with what I have. We're about to go to the movie. I decided to vlog it because it's such a big thing, and plus I'm trying to work on consistency. So yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Twitter at baby_G, and let's go to the movies. Get in, loser! We're going through the movies. I'm going to the movies on the south side because apparently you're supposed to see this movie in IMAX first. I asked Twitter, that's what they said. So we're gonna go see the movie in IMAX. The theater that's like up the street from my house, they don't have IMAX for some reason. So we're gonna go to this movie theater on the south side and see the IMAX. I already bought my ticket because I was not finna play with these folk. Man, I won't finna play with these folk because I already know. I just realized that made it better. I already know these people was gonna buy up the ticket, so I was like, let me not play with these folk and let me get my ticket early. And I did, and I had to pay a little extra with fees. Like, it was still Discount Tuesday, stuff, but I had to pay like the convenience fee because I bought it through the app, all that shit, right? And so now I'm going to see the movie in IMAX. I'll check in when I get there. Okay, y'all, I am at the theater. Y'all can see behind me. I'll get out and do another shot. But I'm at the theater. I'm bringing my umbrella that I keep in the car because I ain't playing with this rain out here. It was raining earlier. Okay, this is the theater. We on the south side with it. I ain't been to this one, y'all. It's nice. And it's big. Okay, y'all got money on the south side. Okay. Y'all, I'm nervous to hold the camera up, so I hope y'all can hear me. I'm in line. I'm in the concession stand line or whatever. And I guess I'm gonna get some popcorn. Yeah. I usually get this like $5 deal. It's like small popcorn, small drink situation. It's like $5. So I'm hoping they do that here, because if they don't, I'm gonna be mad. I got snacks though. I'm not tripping. But I'm gonna be mad because I usually get it and it be, But yeah, yeah, we're going in there. The theater is over here. Hopefully previews do what they're supposed to do, because got here kind of early. So okay, y'all, I'm in the theater and I got some popcorn and a drink, but they gave me a slushy top. What the fuck is up with that? Yeah, I'm in the theater.
A security briefing.
So yeah, just wait for the movie to start. The previews did what I needed to do, because I ain't gonna be late to this movie.
Come on, son. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna shout.
Okay, folks, I just finished watching Sinners, and it was pretty good. I'll give my initial, I guess, reaction when I get to the car, because I'm still in the theater right now. So yeah. I am now leaving the theater. But okay, initial sort of reactions to Sinners, Ryan Coogler. Okay, first initial reaction, I guess, is cinematically, I will watch it again because I want to kind of watch it for the cinematic effect again. Also because it's shot in different formats, so I want to see it again for that reason. But also for me, watching it, especially like the connections through the music, that's what really got me. It's like, you know, I can't explain it. Like, it's a really good film. I think our first watch, I'll give it 9.2. That feels good. 9.2 for that one. Once I sort of processed the film, because like literally I just walked out of the theater. When I processed the film and like, recollect, that's the word I'm looking for, and like think about it again, I feel like it'll be a little bit deeper. Overall, like I really liked the aspects of like the spiritual connection that Black people have to their roots through like an element or aspect like music, because of like, I don't know, me personally, I have a really deep connection to music. So when they showed some of them scenes, I was like really about to cry, because like that's how I be feeling like when I hear music. That shit that shit just be in my bones. And I don't know, I really like gravitated towards the scene where they're in the gym and everybody's just like boom, and then they showing all the different, anyway, I don't want to spoil it too much, but I really felt a connection to that scene. Like I said, I'll probably like really gather my thoughts once I sort of like go home and process the movie. Overall, I really think that Michael B. Jordan, I think he did pretty good to be sort of playing himself, like as the twins or whatever. I think he did good doing that. And I think like the way they shot it was pretty smooth. Like, granted, like technology has advanced, so it's like obviously it's not gonna be like ass green screen or shit like that. But like it was really smooth, like how they did it and how they interacted. Initial reaction, 9.2. Yeah, thank y'all for tuning in and watching my vlog. I went to see Ryan Coogler's Sinners here on the south side at AMC on Discount Tuesday. Yeah. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitter at babyfollowedbyg. And I think this is the end of the vlog.